What's up? 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 What's up?
YouTube, I hope you all are doing good. It's your camera boy, Jona, and today we're going to review Peter McKinnon's new fall 2018 preset pack. To be honest, I'm a little bit disappointed that the presets are only for like the new updated version of Lightroom. I have the feeling it might be like a little bit of a sponsored thing by Adobe to make sure that people update their software and buy the latest version. But we all want Peter to have that money so he can make it rain.
What's up?
I'll make a vid how you guys can convert these so you can still use them in your old Lightroom versions. If you didn't know, I make free presets here on this channel every week, so take the subscribe button, headbutt it. Now let's capture my screen and show you guys what you came in for, and that is the review of the Peter McKinnon preset pack. Alright, so we have this picture here of me. It's a bit underexposed because I wanted to keep the details in the sky, but with a small adjustment, something like this, we can make it into a good exposed picture, so I wouldn't worry about this when you're applying the presets. Now let's check them out. So we got the cool names here. Walswood. Alright. It's kind of like a very dark gray look. I understand the name Walswood. Let me just bump up the shadows a bit more and the overall exposure, and then bring down the highlights a tad. Yeah, as you can see, it's a cool preset. I'm not going to go into the details of how Peter made these because, well, to be honest, then you guys could recreate them easily, and I don't want to waste his hard work that he put into making these presets. So this is the first one. Let's check out White Out. Alright, so this is a bit more of a faded look. Kind of digging it. As you can see, kind of the detail here in the sky went away, which is pretty cool in this case. Yeah, overall a cool preset. Let's check out Skyfall. Okay, so this has kind of an orange bronze glow to the picture. It's a bit more of like a retro vibe, I would say. Let's bump up the shadows and the exposure a bit. As you can see, pretty cool preset. Peter's presets are kind of harsh, you know, that's his style. So if you're not into this type of stuff, then it's nothing for you. Although you could check out one of my videos that I made earlier about how you can change the opacity of a preset, which is really one of the best things you can do in Lightroom. If you're like digging the vibe of a preset, but it's just a bit too hard for your style, I'll link it down below. Let's go to Six Side. Alright, this again is a bit of a moody, dark, faded look, which is in a way kind of Peter's style, I would say. Faded, contrasty, a lot of clarity, although the clarity isn't per se super high, but the feel of the picture just always has like a punchy clarity to it most of the time. So yeah, pretty cool. Red October. Okay, yeah, I can understand why he called it this. Let's bump the shadows and the exposure for this one. So it has kind of more of a teal look to it. Pretty cool. Reason why I'm not going to detail in these presets is I just want to give you guys a quick feel of how they look, and I put them on a outdoor picture because I think, well, Peter's style is in general more outdoor photography, so this is probably a better match for his pictures, although it might look very cool on indoor pictures as well. Overload. Okay, so this is a bit, this is one of these presets that's kind of fucked up with this picture because I became a blue-green smurf. So yeah, what you could do maybe is adjust the temperature to the more orange side, but on this picture it makes my skin even more fucked up. So then you might go into HSL, and little cool trick here for you guys. If I want to change the hue of my skin, I can take this dropper here, I can select my skin, and I can drag down or up, and you will see multiple sliders moving at the same time. So I guess this looks a bit more normal, and now I would still like make some adjustment to the saturation maybe. Again, I will do it with this dropper tools just to show you guys how it works. So you put it on a part of the skin, and it will affect all the colors that it detects in that area. So something like this. I mean, I wouldn't say it's the best skin tone, but I just wanted to show you guys how you can quickly adjust the preset. As you saw, I will apply it again. As you saw, this is just an unusable preset, it seems, for this picture, but with slight adjustments, we made it into something usable. Ohhara. Okay, yeah, I'm really digging this one. This is this, yeah, kind of a strong teal and orange look with an autumn vibe, I would say it, you know, with a fall vibe. Again, skin tones are maybe a bit too exaggerated for my style, but as you can see in the colors here of the leaves, it has a cool effect. North, I'm guessing this is more of like an icy look. Yeah, it is. It's more desaturated. As you can see here, the saturation is down with quite a bit. Let's again bump the shadows, the exposure. Yeah, it's like, if it's a look that you're really into, it's actually not that bad. I would prefer it a little bit warmer, so I could maybe go here to temperature, change it. Now it's like very desaturated, but still more like to the warm side. Alright, let's check out Amaran. No idea what this is gonna be. Okay, this is pretty cool. This is a vibe I just really like. Really can't explain it, what it exactly is, but it just kinda has this retro look to it, which looks really cool. I like how it turned the red of my pants a bit more orangey, but still kept the greens and just like desaturated them like a little bit or something. Alright, Louise. Okay, so Louise again is a bit more of a moody faded look, I would say. And in the scenario of this picture where it was like a bit overexposed, I kind of think that these moody presets really look cool. They just really match like the darker shadows of the picture that it already had. So now the black and white. Okay, it's kind of cool. It's I can't really explain it, but for some reason it really makes me like pop as a person in comparison to the background. So I'm really digging that. It has like some kind of 3D Photoshop effect for some reason, but I'm really digging it actually. Amber. This is again a bit more of like the fall autumn vibe, I would say, with the leaves turning a bit more into this typical autumn orange color. Problem with this is that the leaves, they have like greens, which are not like really like a skin color most of the time, but they also do have like reds, especially in autumn, like reds, oranges, yellows, which are like the same as skin tones. And as you can see, it's really nice on the leaves here, but for my skin it's a bit messed up. As I said, Peter is a bit more of a outdoor landscape photographer, I would say. He throws in a portrait here and there, but this might be a preset that you use for landscapes and not for portraits. And otherwise you can just adjust the skin tone with the little trick I showed you guys before. Now let's check out Elemental. This is again a bit more of a blue faded look. Really digging this. It's really cool. Now let's check out Dusk. Okay, this is like a very strong preset, but I think it looks cool. And it looks a bit fucked up now, but that's also because the exposure is down in this preset and the picture was already kind of underexposed. So we'll start off with bumping this and even adding a little bit. And then I think it might lack some contours maybe. I mean, it's the look of course that Peter is going for here with the dusk. But let's say if you bring back a little bit of contrast and make it a bit warmer. And actually you have a totally new preset now. So guys, just don't just apply a preset on your pictures, but like apply it, see what you like about it, see what you don't like about it, and just then with like the knowledge that you have about Lightroom, make it your own style, create something based off the preset. And as you can see now, this is like a totally different picture than how it looked with the presets slapped on it and nothing changed. But I guess this is just like a nice way of exploring new styles of editing. So yeah, really digging this, although it doesn't look anything like the preset. Let's check out the last one, which is Down. Alright, this is a very strong more blue look. Cool. Yeah, this is not per se my style because it's like a bit too contrasty and punchy. As you can see, clarity is 60, contrast is 55. So yeah, not really my look, but I guess it might be cool for some people. Or as I said, for landscapes, which Peter does a lot, you can go a little bit crazy with the clarity or the contrast, because humans don't have to look like humans, because there are no humans. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really wanted to just quickly show you guys a preset, show you how to make slight adjustments, and don't go into detail too much, because as I said, that is his work here. And also I would appreciate you guys not DMing me or mailing me to ask if I could send you the presets, because, well, one, I make free presets for you guys here on my channel, which I decided to share with you guys for free, so check them out. Peter decided to share his presets in an exchange for money, and I think it's a fair price. I thought it was something like $25, and I saw some preset packs going for like $80. Not gonna lie, I think it's a bit too much. 25 I think is a very decent price for, I'm not gonna count it, but 10, 12, 15 presets, so that's a decent price. So please, if you do like him, just buy them off Peter. And if you don't want to spend the money, check out some of my free presets, and I hope you guys maybe find some cool ones in here. If not, just send me some examples of pictures that you like, of editing styles that you like, and I might make a tutorial / free preset for you guys about that. See you guys in the next vid, and keep experimenting yourself with some presets.